Welcome to Dipansh Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create Zoom in Scratch. So let's get started. Okay, this video is going to be a face reveal. Okay, so first, you can create your own mute and unmute button, and let's get started. So first we can go to your video sprite. So there will be one for video and one for your mic. So in video, you can put when green flag clicked. We can set costume to video off, and I can turn video off. Now, forever, create some blocks, blocky name. So video, so we can put video dash on as the name. Run without screen refresh, okay. Same thing as video off, video underscore off. Run without screen refresh and okay. Now we can put turn video on and turn video off. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So the next thing we need is to first we can put an if block right here. So if touching mouse pointer and if touching mouse pointer and the key 1 is pressed, video on. If 2 is pressed, video off. Let's check it out. And so I click the 1, it did, 2, it off. Okay. So the next thing we need is to also change this. It can't be unmute and unmute all the time. So you can switch costume to video on and video off. Let's check it again. Okay, it's working perfectly. We can clean up blocks. Okay, so everything for the video is now complete. Now let's go to our mic. Let's create a variable called loudness. Click OK. So when green flag clicked, set loudness to loudness. To the Scratch loudness variable. Then we can set our costume to mute. Okay, and that looks perfectly nice. So set loudness to loudness, switch costume to mute. Forever, we can put it to mic on and mic off. Mic on, without screen refresh, and mic hyphen off. Run without screen refresh. Okay, so what will we do in the mic on and mic off? So the mic on will do quite some things. First thing we'll do is set loudness to 0. So in the mic off, set loudness to 0 and switch costume to mic off or to mute. Then mic on, set loudness to loudness, set loudness to loudness. But that will do something we don't want. Okay, so do you know this set loudness and set loudness? Just take it off and just put our switching costumes. Unmute and mute. Go back to our when green flag clicked and in the forever, put if costume name. So we can put an equal to block. Costume name is equal to mute Set loudness to 0. If costume name is equal to unmute, set loudness to 1. Okay. So set loudness to loudness, not set loudness to 1. Okay, now go to our video sprite and put the ifs there. So we can take out everything there and put it in. So if touching mouse pointer and 1, mic on and mic off. Let's give it a go. So I am at my video sprite. I press 1 and my video is on. Hi guys, how are you? And then my loudness. Okay, I forgot to do this for our loudness. So right click the loudness, large readout, and put it at our position. So I'm putting at the video 1. I press and hello, how are you? And at the mic on, and yes, it is recording how loud I'm saying. I can also turn off my video and do the other thing. And yeah, we have a basic Zoom in Scratch. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Dipansh Video Time is out.